In this video, you'll learn how to mix a vibrant pink. Now the cheat way of doing this is to buy a magenta. You can see that. That's pretty nice pink. But we don't have magenta, let's say. So we're going to start off with some white. We're just going to take a big bit of alizarin there. Add it to that white. Already getting nice and pink and bright. Then we're going to add a bit of Cad Red Medium. Put a little bit more in there. And barely, just a smidgen of yellow, Cad Yellow Medium. Now for the darker color, we can add more red. And for the lighter, we simply add more white. And that's how you mix some nice, vibrant whites with just Cad Red Medium, Alazarin Crimson, white, and a dash of Cad Yellow Medium. Thanks.